Hi, this is Greg Kilpack with the Trader's Plan on the Options Trading Desk. Today is February 22nd, 2022, and the market was closed yesterday with President's Day. So let's take a look at what's going on in the market right now. So the market is down heavily today, down over 600 points in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Seeing red across the board today. Heavy selling, but we're right at a support level right here. The market bounced off this level on January 24th, about a month ago. So we're going to see if it bounces right here or if it's going to go right through and trend lower from here. That's an important thing to watch, how the market and stocks act at previous support and resistance levels. So we're making money right now through simple chart analysis. Want to show you what that looks like. Last week we opened a short position on Snap by buying puts, and you can see Snap is in a downtrend and it bounced. And the thing about this bounce is when you see it bounce right up into the 50-day moving average, which is declining, by the way, showing the downtrend, and when it goes up and then suddenly flatlines and goes sideways, that's a pretty good indication that the sellers are overcoming the buyers at that price, around $41 to $42 a share. That's exactly what happened last week. And then we start to see the downtrend continue again, the previous long-term downtrend. In spite of this 2 to 3 week bounce, we see the downtrend continue on Friday when it made a price low previous to the previous 2 days, the low right there. That's an excellent entry point. We got short and we're making money right now on Snap. Now, this is a really good risk versus reward spot to enter the trade. Why is that? Because if the stock goes up above $41, $42 a share and holds its value, starts to trend up from there, you know you're wrong. So we're only risking on a stock basis $2 or $3 per share from entry, versus we expect our gain to go all the way down to previous support around $28 a share. It even went briefly to $24.32 per share, but then snapped back up. So for the first price target, I would expect Snap to go to around $28 a share. So we're risking basically $3 or $4 a share to make 10. And that's a good reward versus the risk that we're looking at. Let's look at another stock that we trade frequently around here. This is Rivian. Rivian has been in a steady downtrend, but this bounce is pretty small by comparison to how far it's fallen. It's actually a huge bounce by percentage-wise, but Rivian is a very volatile stock. It went all the way to 50 and bounced above 70, as high as $71.50 per share, which is a move of about 40%, which is enormous. But in fact, it's still small by comparison to the previous downtrend. I'm expecting that the downtrend is going to continue, but right now we're still slopping sideways. We're about break even on our puts right now in Rivian. Excuse me. I do want to show you one interesting thing about what's going on in the oil industry. The price of all commodities are going up right now because of inflation. And Occidental Petroleum has been going up for a few weeks. Well, we just saw a break today to lower lows from the uptrend. It could hit a short-term support level around $39 a share, and it's starting to break through that today. Now, if they do raise interest rates and slow down inflation, not only is that going to slow down the economy, it's going to slow down profits throughout the stock market. And that will basically remove the reason why commodities prices are going up. This is just an inflationary move right here in a commodity. Okay, so that means that if that happens, the gas stocks are going to roll over, and we might be seeing the opening move in that right now. I'm not convinced of that yet, but that's what I'm watching for. So, are you making money in your trading? If not, you should really come join us and learn how to make money using the power of leverage in options. Go to thetradersplan.com/options-income. Not only will you learn about credit and debit spreads, calls and puts, but you'll also receive alerts and the reasoning behind the trades that we're doing. You'll receive timely option trade alerts through text or email. You just go to thetradersplan.com/options-income, and if you sign up right now, you'll get a free one-on-one consultation with me to go over your trading and to help you see any mistakes you might be making. We'd love to have you join us. Until then, this is Greg Kilpack wishing you a very profitable week.